Inspiration, I call upon Bhuvanesh Sagar to share the thought of the day. Happy morning everyone. My name is UK Bhuvanesh Sagar. I am from grade 6 Sapphire and today about thought. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance you must keep moving. I repeat it once again. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance you must keep moving. Thank you. Now let us get an update what happening in the world. Here is B and Rohan with today's news. Happy morning everyone. My name is Rohan from 60C. Today's news. International news. Houthi attack to the Red Sea. National news. Delhi air quality has dropped. Sports news. Ronaldo said to leave AL NASA. Thank you. Now I call upon Yarshavardhan God to test your general knowledge. Good morning everyone. My name is Yarshavardhan from grade 6 Sapphire. Question from grade 6. Which is top export item in India? Just pick the right answer. The answer is cotton cloth. Let us appreciate them.
You speak little, give that pause. Pause after. Who will understand? Give
Question
that
for grade 7. What is when the International Women's Day is celebrated? I repeat it again. When is International Women's Day is celebrated? Yes, so pick the right answer. The answer is March 8. Let us appreciate them.
Appreciate.
Appreciate.
Ah.
Question for grade 8. When the 8th day is celebrated? I repeat it again. When the 8th day is celebrated? No, you picked the wrong answer. The answer is April 22. Question for grade 9. Which capital? What is the capital of Assam? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is Dispur. Let us appreciate. Thank you, Yarshavardhan. Today we have a short speech on Dear Yarshavardhan by positive thinking. Happy morning to all. Today I want to share a secret with you. Happy morning to all. Today I want to share a secret with you. A secret that can change our life. It is called positive thinking. What is positive thinking? Anyone know? It is believing in yourself. It is being happy and optimistic. Positive thinking can help us to overcome challenges, feel confident and strong. Smile every morning. Use kind words to yourself. Focus on good things. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. Be positive always. Thank you. Have a wonderful and smiling day. Thank you, dear Shavardhan, for motivating us. Next, I call upon Vijaya sister to deliver a speech about kindness.
Adjust yourself. Down to hold.
Happy morning to all. Today I want to talk about something special, that is kindness. Kindness is when we show love and care to others. It may be a smile, a hug or a helping hand. Kindness makes us happy. We can show kindness everywhere, at home, at school or in our society. Share your knowledge, your books, your food to most wanted people. Help our mom and dad. Kindness spread love and happiness. Be kind to yourself, be kind to one another, be kind to the world. Thank you. Have a kindful day.
Thank you, sister, for teaching the value of kindness. Next, we have a Manoj Kumar for sharing information about magnets.
Honorable Director Sir, respected Principal Sir and teachers and my dear friends. Happy morning everyone. My name is K. Manoj Kumar of grade 6 of I. I am going to deliver a short speech on magnets. Most of you have already played with magnets, but have you ever wondered why this happens? Magnet produce magnetic fields around it, which contain metals like iron, nickel, etc. Magnet has two poles, North Pole and South Pole. Different poles are attract, same poles repel each other. Magnets without magnets magnets without any power, magnet without any sources working, and magnets they are used in refrigerator to keep doors. They are used in like MRI machine, like medical machines to see inside of your body. Thank you. Have a
It
nice
was
day.
a wonderful speech. Next, I call upon Pranay Mokshit Reddy to deliver a speech on global warming.
Hold.
Happy morning, everyone. I am Pranay from grade 6 Sapphire. Today, I am delivering a speech on global warming. Global warming is the when Earth's temperature rises just like we feel uncomfortable when it is too hot outside. Our planet is also getting too warm. This extra gas is mostly consisted by gases like carbon dioxide. These gases trap heat in our atmosphere, making Earth warmer. Global warming affects our weather, plants, and animals, and even ice in North and South poles. Sea level could rise, animals will lose their homes, and storms and duggars are formed. Thank you. Thank you, Pranay, for sharing information about global warming. Thank you, everyone, for joining with us today. I hope you have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you. Today is birthday.